Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? 3 power t equals t power 9. Solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. Now, a variable here, and they are the same variables. So what we can do is let's move all the variables to our side so we can decide to eliminate this variable right here. To achieve this, we multiply this by 1 over t. So 3 power t raised to the power of 1 over t equals t power 9 raised to the power of 1 over t. So let's go back to this identity. A power x power y equals a power x times y. 3 power t times 1, t divided by t equals t power 9 times 1, 9 divided by t. From here, t divided by t is what? 3 power 1 equals t power 9 over 2. Now, I have a variable here, I have 9 here. I can decide to eliminate this 9. So, to achieve this, I multiply this by 1 over 9, and this also by 1 over 9. So, remember, a power x power y equals a power x times y. I multiply this out. I have 3 power 1 over 9 equals t power 9 times 1, 9 divided by t times 9, 9t. 9 eliminates 9. I have 3 power 1 over 9 equals t power 1 over t. So, from here, I can decide to express or ensure that this and this are the same so that we can compare to this and this which are all the same. So, let's consider this. I can have 3 power 1 times 1 over 9 equals t power 1 over 2. I can replace this one here with the equivalent, which is 3 over 3. 1 is 3 over 3. I have 3 power 3 over 3 times 1 over 9 equals t power 1 over t. So, I can multiply this numerator and the denominator. I have 3 power 3 times 1. 3 divided by 3 times 9. 27 equals t power 1 over t. Right now, I can factor out 3. I can have 3 power 3 times 1 over 27 equals t power 1 over t. So, I have 3 power 3 power 1 over 27. This equals that. We need to find the value of 3 power 3, which is 3 times 3 times 3, or 1 over 27, equals t power 1 over t. This equals 27 power 1 over 27, because this is 9, this is 27, right? T power 1 over t. So, at this point, if you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b, I can have 1 over A equals 1 over V. I cross multiply, my A equals B. So applying same here, 1 over 27 equals 1 over T. I cross multiply T times 1, 27 times 1, so T equals 27. I can check by verifying using the value of T. T equals 27. I have 3 power T equals T power 9. I substitute this for T. I have 3 power 27 equals 27 power 9. I have 3 power 27 equals 27 is 3 power 3 power 9. I multiply this exponent. I have 3 power 27 equals 3 power 3 times 9 is 27. Both sides are the same, showing that the answer is authentic. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.